Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to divide mixed numbers. Now I'll go through one example or two examples which should be helpful for anyone looking for a quick review or refresher, whether you learned this recently or years ago. Doesn't matter what situation you're in right now, this video should help you on getting a quick review or a refresher on how to divide mixed numbers. So let's jump into our example where we have 3/1/2 divided by 1/4. So the first thing we have to do is we have to convert both of the mixed numbers to fractions. You can see I wrote the 3 steps here, and we're going to follow these 3 steps to get the final answer pretty easily. So the first thing we do is we convert to fractions. To convert them to fractions, to improper fractions, we have to do a little method here. So we have 3/1/2. To convert this into a improper fraction, we have to multiply the 2 and add the 1, like this. So, of course, we're first starting with multiplication. I have already made videos on why we first start with multiplication, and that's because of the order of operations we use in math. So we do 3 times 2. This equals 6. Now we just add the 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we are left with 7. We keep our denominator as it is, and it's a 2. So our first improper fraction will be 7/2. So now for the second one, we're going to do the exact same thing, and we're going to multiply and then add. So we do 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So now we have our second improper fraction, because we keep the denominator as it is, and we are left with 5/4. So let's erase this, so we have enough space to start with our second step. So what we do now, we have these two um, improper fractions, and we have to divide them by each other. So to divide improper fractions, we use the keep, switch, flip method. So the keep, switch, flip method is very easy to remember, because it basically tells you in the 3 words how to do it. So how we do this is we keep our first fraction, our first improper fraction, we switch the dividing sign to a times sign, to a multiplication sign, and we flip these two. So we keep this one as it is, we switch this one, and we flip these two. So to write this down, we will get 7/2 times 5/4. Now we can just multiply them. So first of all, we multiply the top ones. 7 times 5. We multiply the numerators. So 7 times 5 equals 28. Oh, my bad, guys. Doesn't equal 28. Oh, guys, I made a little bit of a mistake here. I forgot to flip these around. So instead of 5/4, we get 4/5. So now, when we do 7 times 4, we get 28. So now we're done with our numerators. We have 2 times 5. 2 times 5, of course, is 10. And we have almost our final answer. We have 28/10. Now for the last step, we're gonna simplify. So to simplify this, we're gonna look how many whole groups of 10 fit into 28. So 10 times 2 equals 20. So we have two whole groups of 10 in 28. So we have a whole number of 2. Now we are left with 8. 8 tenths, because our denominator stays the same. Now for the last step, because we can simplify this once more, we can divide these two by 2, the numerator and the denominator by 2, and we will get our final answer of 2 4/5. This will be our final answer on our whole problem starting from here. So this can be a bit confusing because it has a pretty long process to get to the final answer, but just keep practicing, watch the video over if you don't understand, and you will probably get it. So this was the video, guys, on how to divide mixed numbers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got a quick review or refresher, or you learned this by my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.